With Kit's extended reality option, you can view your Kit's project in AR, augmented reality. To get started with augmented reality, tap on Kit's XR from the top navigation menu to view your VR and AR options. Under View in AR, tap Send Project Link. A pop-up window appears. Select the country and enter the mobile phone number of your recipient. Phone numbers entered are not stored or collected. Once your project has been shared successfully, a confirmation message appears. The phone number you entered will receive a text message with a unique Kit's XR URL for the project you wish to share in AR. The Kit's XRPro Viewer app is required to view the project in augmented reality mode. The Viewer app can be downloaded from either the Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. A data or Wi-Fi connection is required to download the project to your device. With the Kit's XRPro Viewer app installed, tap on the Kit's XR link within the text message. The Kit's XRPro Viewer app opens. Tap on the thumbnail image of the project to view it in AR. And that is how you can view your Kit's project in augmented reality.